and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm excited to show you guys an unboxing of the Dejavoo Z11 credit card terminal. So here's the box that it comes in. And when you open it up, you see the Dejavoo Z11 terminal itself, along with this little hidden compartment with the power cord. Let's go ahead and take out the Dejavoo power cord and the manual. What I love about the Dejavoo and why it doesn't come with too many things in the box is it's actually really simple to set up. Once you have the merchant account and you get your Dejavoo Z11 into your whatever type of store you have or restaurant, all you have to do is plug the terminal into the power, connect it to Wi-Fi, and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and take it out of the bag for you guys so you can see it. The Dejavoo Z11, as I mentioned, is really great for any kind of business, retail, restaurants, anything really. And because it is Wi-Fi enabled, like I said, it's so easy to set up. Here are the different components for you. And this is where the printer paper goes at the top here. You can accept any type of payments. As you see, here's the roll. You can accept any type of payments on the Dejavoo Z11, whether that be tap, touch, swipe, contactless payments, anything like that. And if you'd like to know anything else about the Dejavoo Z11, please leave us a comment down below. We'll be happy to answer that for you. Subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.